has issued a flood warning for the Saddle River at Lodi from this evening until Thursday evening at 8 p.m. Wednesday. The stage was 5.7 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 6.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by tonight and continue to rise to near 7.4 feet by after midnight tomorrow. The river will fall below flood stage by tomorrow late morning at 7.0 feet. Flooding in the parking lot at the Lodi Boys and Girls Club on Passaic Avenue, and flooding begins along Memorial Driver's ShopRite Shopping Center at 7.0 feet. Flooding along Reland Street and at Sant'Angelo Funeral Home on Main Street and Sydney Street. This crest compares to a previous crest of 7.5 feet on March 4, 1991.